soft spoken with a broken jaw. Step outside, but not to brawl in autumn sweet